Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another video. My name is Kitse. If you're new to the channel, you're just new to the channel. I hate people who pressure people. Hey, you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Like, you don't f***ing know what I'm gonna talk about. Maybe I'm gonna spend 30 minutes talking about this. I'm gonna be like, it's stainless steel. No, it's an IKEA knife. So we're not gonna review this IKEA knife, but we're gonna use it to unbox this to enhance this. So I've never ever posted a video of my living room setup, mostly because I'm a lazy motherfucker and I couldn't bother to get the camera, the light, the microphone, the everything, and I was like, ah, fuck it, doesn't matter. But we're about to move from this apartment in 30-ish days. I just got something in the mail, the last thing that I'm gonna put into this living room setup before we move out, and then I'm gonna destroy everything basically. I have the LG CX65 OLED here. It's absolutely amazing. I would never switch from OLED to something else. It's great for gaming, it's great for movies, it's great for just looking at it and having a slideshow of planet Earth and being like, oh, I'm never gonna visit this place because I'm a geek and I like staying inside and watching Netflix. One thing that I don't like about the LG CX is whoever designed this is out of their f***ing mind. This is the worst looking remote in the world. It looks like it came from the 1970s. It's so fat, so chunky. It's so, nothing against fat remotes overall, but this one in particular, like, it's a good remote actually at the end of the day. I mean, it's like everything on it. It has a magic cursor. You can like scroll around and point and click and whatever the f, but like it's the entire aesthetic of it. It's just, you wanna, I don't know, tell me in the comments. However, when I saw the new Apple TV 4K with the calibration thing, I was like, what if the movies on this TV can be even better if they're played through Apple TV instead of the apps on the actual TV? Because there's some calibration thing that you can do with the phone. And me, being a geek and being obsessed with technology, I decided to get this and maybe enhance the movie watching experience on the TV and also get rid of this ugliness. I'm sorry I cannot find an ergonomic way to show you because it's super interesting to see someone cut through cardboard, right? What else do you have to watch on YouTube except billions of other videos about cats and dogs and everything else? So this is the package. I like how it's packaged. I wanted to have an Apple TV since I got into the Apple ecosystem, because you can pair AirPods to it, and you can like once Apple puts you through this money making machine, you're not going back and you're not getting anything else. But I was waiting for a refreshed Apple TV before I actually upgrade, and now's the time. Thingy on the corner. Oh, okay, I can do this. I can do this. Whoop. I can do whoop. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, you can. Okay, so give me a drum roll or something, because this is a pretty epic moment. Will you? Come on. I hate when YouTubers do that face, and if you see me doing that face on a thumbnail, call me out. This is it. This is the little pepperoni. I'll put it right there next to the Mac Mini. So I have the Mac Mini, which I deprecated, right there, and now it's gonna go next to it. They're gonna be a little Apple brothers or whatever. Nothing special. It has a... Where are the ports? What the fuck? There are no port... Oh, there's a sticker thing, I didn't see it. So we need to take off the sticker thingy in order to see the ports. Oh, the sticker goes all the way around. Why do you watch my channel? There are literally 30,000 other unboxings of Apple TV that are better than this, and yet you're still here for some reason. Okay, there are more ports. So there's HDMI, that's it. There's HDMI power and Ethernet, and that's it. And on the bottom, maybe there are more ports. No, who would put ports on the bottom of a thing? Like, come on. Alright, so let's, as always, let's read the instructions. What does Timmy Boy have to say to us? Congratulations on your new Apple TV. As long as you keep making shit, you'll keep buying it. No matter what we do, no matter how dumb it is, you will give us money. Thank you very much, Tim. Sent from my golden toilet. Well, Tim, thanks for making this shit. This is the Siri remote, and so many people who've used the previous Apple TV and the previous remote, they complained about the touch thingy. Now it's like a scroll wheel bar thing, and it's a remote. I mean, if you compare this slickness to this like, look at this. It's not even comparable. Like, this chunky boy should go away. One thing that sucks about this is you cannot change the HDMI sources. Like, you cannot switch to the PlayStation or the Nintendo Switch or whatever it is. And here you have a button for just switching to source or switching to Netflix or Amazon Prime or whatever it is. Here you would have to use Siri. And as we know, Siri is a fucking idiot. Lightning cable in here, because lightning just cannot fucking die. Are you a popular movie? Because you die hard. Lightning cable. Why is this even needed? Probably for charging the remote. This is so idiotic. I hate lightning cables. I hate you, Apple, for your lightning cables. And probably they included an HDMI cable. Otherwise, how would I plug this in? I'm just kidding. Why would Apple give you something for free? It's a power cable. That's literally the last thing in the box. And they don't give you an HDMI cable. But your boy's prepared. I didn't even have to read on their page that they don't supply HDMI cable. I just bought it even before I got the Apple TV. I'm like, there's no way these greedy fucks will actually give you something for free. There's no way in hell. So I got myself an HDMI. Do you know there are classes of HDMI cables nowadays? I don't know what's happening with the world, but this is ultra certified high speed. It has a thing that you can scan it and it can prove to you that it's like, I trust you. I trust you. You don't have to prove to me that you're ultra scalable, whatever the fuck. Okay, so I'm gonna set that up there, but I'm gonna continue talking from here. I'm gonna explore the Apple TV. Give me a second. All right, it's plugged in. I don't know what to expect because it's Apple. There's always gonna be some, things. Let's switch the HDMI to, hey Siri. Wait, I'll talk to the other Siri. Hey Siri, can you tell this Siri to switch the language to English?
Sorry, I can't help you with that.
Oh, okay, it switched on its own. So you're not useful. All right, we go with English. I like the remote. I don't mind it. I mean, it's fine. Let me move out of the way so we can actually see something. So region, I have to scroll down. I totally forgot that I can just scroll this puppy and it goes up and down. Ah, like you can scroll up and it scrolls the list up. Interesting. Privacy, we're gonna keep your data. Unlike Google, we actually care about your privacy. Got you, Timmy. Your region uses a different display format. I don't click if you see a clear picture. I guess it's clear. I guess so. Automatically set up with iPhone. Okay. I don't know if you should see that. Turn on Bluetooth and hold the device close to the Apple TV. It's close. Hey Siri, pair with the Apple TV.
I'm sorry, I'm afraid I can't do that.
That would be magical, right? Pairing to another device that you made, you idiots! Unlock your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. Turn on Bluetooth. Hold the device close to this Apple TV. How close? I'm gonna go there. Is this close enough? Yep. It actually wanted me to go ultra close to it. Jesus Christ. Enter the authentication code. Okay. All right. Setting up new Apple TV. Let's see what's happening. It's exciting. A movie starring Tim Cook, Stealing My Money, starring Kidset. For the 75th time, our hero's wallet's gonna get slimmer by the end of this video. Brought to you by the Apple Company. Ding. That's the sound of money leaving my wallet. This is one time where I need the Apple pairing thing to magically work. God bless Canada. Set up with iPhone. I'm gonna go near it. Come on, pair. Ooh, please work.
A few moments later.
Okay, now it says use remote on your iPhone. Tap down to open remote and continue setting up on your Apple TV. This is really cool that you can actually use your phone. So if the remote is not around, because you're gonna lose it, obviously, you can actually use your phone, swipe to navigate. Okay, this is pretty cool. Now it controls the TV, like you can use your phone. And I think, if I'm right, you can even use the Apple Watch. They probably have a remote. Let me try. Open remote. Open TV remote.
I don't see an app called TV Remote.
I'm pretty sure I've seen people using a remote on their Apple Watch. Because that would be pretty nifty. I don't keep my phone around. I try to not keep my phone around. Let's just imagine that it works on the Apple Watch. I click things and it controls the TV. It's pretty stupid. Doesn't matter. Let's move on. What I'm really excited to try is a feature called Calibrate TV, which allows you to, when you're watching content, you can actually get the best picture quality out of that content. That's probably the #1 reason why I got the Apple TV thing. So I'm gonna go to video and audio. Probably it's in video and audio. If I'm a guessing man, it should be there. Format, like I watched some YouTubers talking about chroma and shit. 422 improves clarity but requires high-speed cables. Well, I have a high-speed cable, so we're gonna choose chroma 422, whatever that means. I don't understand video and audio. Try it out. Boom. We have nothing now. So the chroma thing did not work. This cable, said it is high quality. Oh no, it's fine. If you see a clear picture, clear as a mother, it's fine. Okay, match content. Yeah, I guess I have no fucking idea. Check HDMI connection. Check the. This will take 2 minutes. Okay, let's wait 2 minutes. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh yeah, one of the biggest reasons I got it is there's like because of the pandemic and everything. We're together with my girlfriend in the apartment most of the time, and when I want to watch TV in silence, I cannot pair my AirPods to the TV because of the soundbar, and the soundbar just kicks the AirPods off, and as soon as they're connected they get disconnected, and it's so annoying. And with the Apple TV you can just connect to AirPods and watch in silence anytime you want, which is a huge plus for me. Okay, it's good. It says your HDMI connection looks good. Cool. Audio format, it's fine. Reduce loud sounds. I love this. To enjoy movies and music without disturbing others. This is great. Reducing loud sounds, sign me up. I wanted this. This is what I wanted. Color balance. It says Apple TV will measure the color response of your television and calibrate its output to improve overall picture quality. This is the #1 or #2 reason why I got this. To just give the TV a little bit of extra. Oh shit. You know, when I got the TV it was like, oh shit. But now we're gonna take it to, oh shit. Let's see. Color balance. Now, this is the most magical fucking thing ever. It pops up a dialog on the iPhone to pair with it, and it's gonna fix the TV balance somehow magically. Let's see how. Hold your phone close to your TV to begin measurement. This is magical. I don't know if you can see, but turn your iPhone round to the front camera is pointing at your television. Turn your iPhone. Oh, okay, front camera. Or back. No, it cannot. I'm an idiot. It should work like this. Oh, it works. And it's vibrating. What the fuck? This is crazy. Wow. Obviously, I cannot hold my phone. My hands are shaking. God bless Canada. Okay, we're done. This is the original, and this is the balanced. And it has a difference. I don't know if it's better or not, but it's definitely had, like, the sand is more yellow on the left. That's my video expert conclusion on the topic. When you use balanced, the sand is more yellow. So naturally, thank you Apple for saving my TV basically. So all I want to do now is check some, like everything else, it's cool, it's great, it's awesome, amazing. Now let's try something on Apple TV Plus. Oh, there is a show that I wanted to try, Earth at Night. I tried this on my phone and it looked pretty great.
Generation technology.
Easy.
We can see at night as clear as day.
I don't like that it doesn't show when you turn on the remote up and down. It doesn't show you any indicator of that you're turning it. So what I like is up there I can quickly switch to my AirPods Max or my AirPods Pro, and I can just watch like that. What I don't like is you cannot control the video quality. So it's like if it's full HD, if Apple decides basically, like they decide for everything, that it's gonna be full HD, it's gonna be full HD. If they want 4K, you watch 4K. Timmy is sitting behind that just clicking with his thing, and you cannot switch by yourself, which is very annoying. I honestly wouldn't be able to see a difference, if you can just shut up show. I wouldn't be able to see a difference if I'm playing through the Apple TV or if I'm playing through the TV app. I probably won't see a difference in the picture quality. So, no, it actually looks pretty amazing, but it's, wow, that looks pretty dope.
The grasslands here are home.
And I like that it's gonna play during music and podcast. That's what it said, that it's gonna play this during music and podcast. So if you listen to music, this will play. That's a very dope screensaver. One thing that I don't like on the LG, on the TV actually, is when you go to standby mode, it previews like a screensaver with a message on top that says insert signal here, which is very annoying. These aerial wallpapers are amazing. Like that you can switch them. I wanted to try Siri. I don't know how to get out of these modes. Like, what the f is this? Olivia Rodrigo, BTS, Classical Live, Beethoven. Like, what the f is wrong with this Apple TV? I don't get how this works. Did I turn on Siri and whatever the f? Wait, maybe I didn't turn it on. General. Siri is off. Oh my god. Siri isn't available in English when you use the Poland iTunes store?